Welcome back to the PowerPoint new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will guide you how you can set newsprint background in PPT slides. So for this, you need to click on the Design tab, and on the right side, you will see that the Format Background. Click on that, and now head to the Fill section and click on the Picture or Texture Fill. And now head to the texture and click on this drop down, and here it is the newsprint background. Click on that, and now you need to click on apply to all. So whenever you create a new slide, this background will automatically apply it. Either you can new slide or you can also create a duplicate style. So this way you can easily set newsprint background in PPT slides. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.